Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change a 2019 Dodge Ram headlight, updated. First, park on level ground and disconnect the battery before you touch any wiring. Open the hood, locate the headlight housing, and remove the retaining clips or bolts. Handle the bulb by the base, not the glass, and replace it with the correct replacement rated for 12V systems. Reassemble, reconnect the battery, and test the beam alignment. Use this step to remove the bumper or access panel if needed to reach the headlight assembly easily. Start by gathering the right tools: a ratchet set, plastic trim tools, and gloves. Carefully loosen bolts without forcing clips to avoid breaking plastic tabs. Label screws and store them in order so reassembly is smooth. When replacing bulbs, check beam type and brightness to stay street legal and avoid glare for other drivers. Troubleshoot flickering or failure by testing the socket with a multimeter to confirm power and ground. Inspect wiring harnesses for corrosion, loose pins, or rodent damage and repair or replace connectors as needed. If aiming is off, adjust the vertical and horizontal screws while parked 25 feet from a wall to center the beam. Keep spare bulbs and fuses on hand, and always wear gloves to prevent oils from shortening bulb life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.